Welcome to Gyanjyoti online classes, class 9, English, chapter 7, the prose from beehives, and its topic is pecking. Yeah. This lesson was the lesson of one of the extract from Three Men in a Boat with a long novel, short part, and here three friends. How they pick the things and by the time of picking how they do mistakes and how they are confused and disturbed by their picking and whole scenery of picking we can find in this chapter. Yeah, so let's start the chapter. Here writer is Jerome K. Jerome, and here he is the writer and he speaks. I said I would pick. I is writer, Jerome, I would pick. Means I will pick my pigs because they are in the early morning. At the morning they have to go to different place for journey. And before you are going to journey, you have to take your bags, your things ready. And your bags, carry bags and your items, everything, what are the things required to go. Previously you have to take it ready. Then after the journey starts. Is it natural? So writer said, I would pack clear. I rather pride myself on my packing. Means writer is full of confidence. Pride means he knows very well of packing the bag. Okay? Packing is one of those many things that I feel I know more about than any other person living in his surrounding. That writer says that I am excellent the person of packing more than other person. Okay, yeah, so very nice. As he said, let's see. It surprises me myself sometimes how many such things there are. I impress the fact that George and Harris, and told them, here George and Harris. Now these two friends, let's see, they are two friends. Yeah, we see they are two friends. And what he say about them? Told them that they had better leave the whole matter entirely to me. Means, I will do both of you person. I will be boss to do the work and both of you just relax. Okay. They fell into the suggestion with a readiness that had something uncanny about it. Uncanny strange about it. He just spread himself over the easy chair. जैसे बोले कि तुम करो. The writer doesn't mean that you will not do, but I will be boss and in my guidance you will pay other things. But here I said that I will do this job and that's why both the friend thought that it is not our work. So judge spread himself on a easy chair and Harris cocked his legs on the table, means lean over the table in the relaxed position, means no work. He felt very easy to enjoy. Okay, this was hardly what I intended. What writer said that he was and other will also cooperate him, but he doesn't say that I will only do. Okay, this was hardly what I intended. What I had meant, of course, was that I should boss the job. Boss the means the leader. In his guidance, in his control, other two friends will do the work. That what boss means, okay? And that Harris and Judge should potter about means to do some unimportant things, simple things under my direction. That is the rule of a boss. Boss means in the control of his guidance, other person does the work. That is called boss. It's okay. I pushing them aside every now and then with, oh, you, here, let me do it. There you are, simple enough. Really teaching them as you may say, that taking it in the way they did irritated me. Yeah, writer, they were, they did not know how to pack the things. Their work was not fine. That's why here writer irritates. Why? Pushing them aside every now and then. Oh, you, here let me do it. There you are, simple enough. Okay? They are teaching them, as you might say, they are taking it in a way they did irritate me. It means they did not know how to pack. That's why writer irritates and talks like this. There is nothing does irritate me more than seeing other people sitting about doing nothing when I am working. Yeah, first thing they do mistakes. Second thing they don't cooperate. They didn't cooperate here. As the writer started taking, they should also in the small things they should have, but they did not do. That's why the writer is not feels something irritates feelings of irritation. Yeah. I lived with a man once who used to make me mad that way. Now, writer mentioned about the previous story, past story. Yeah, I lived with a man who used to make me mad that way. वो भी ऐसा ही करता था जो एक समय में राइटर एक दूसरों के साथ रहता था. He would loll on the sofa. means lazy person, वो आराम से सोफा में बैठता था. Loll means sit and watch me doing things by the hour together. मैं काम करूँगा तो देखते रहता था. Means that person was very governor, very boss, means very VIP person just sitting. He said it did him real good to look on at me, messing about. Messy means untidy about. Now I am not like that. But here writer says that I am different person. I can't sit still and see another man slaving and working. Suppose one person here fully working and one person is just like a boss or VIP person sitting and no work. This is not the character of writer. If somebody working, maybe small or easy work or hard work, I may cooperate and I help. In this line you can say writer was a cooperating and helping person, not a lazy and idle to sleep in a place, but very active person. It's clear? Let's see. I want to get up and superintendent and walk around with my hands in my pockets and tell him what to do. Yeah, suppose I may not work, but I have to guide them. I have to tell them this. You have to do in this way or you do in that way. But I may guide. I will keep my hands in my pocket and may I suggest them that you will do. Okay? And tell him what to do. It is my energetic nature. Yes, active person. Energetic nature means active person. Writer was very active person. It's okay. I can't help it. Yes, means I was not a lazy person. I am the person full of enthusiastic person and I can do the work finely. It's okay. 4 number paragraph. However, I did not say anything. Yeah. Also one of the friend. If friend is lazy on way, if you comment and say that you are not working, I am not doing my work, then friendship will go away. So writer did not say anything and did his work, okay? But started the packing. It seemed a longer job because in the early morning they have to go to the new place. Now they are in the job. Now writer starts his job with a long time to work. Then I had thought it was going to be, but I got the big finish at last. Yeah, finally the writer did the job finally, okay? And I sat on it and scrapped it. Sat on it means I sat on it means उसके ऊपर बैठा और मैं scrapped means fasten it, tighten it, make it pull the chain or I took close it. Okay. Aren't you going to put the boots in? Now Harish said. Now Harish bicycle. Yeah. आप boot को रखी भी नहीं करते. Yeah. Harish बोला. Asked to judge this writer Jerome. And I looked around and found I had forgotten them. That's just like Harris. Yeah, Harris reminded. The writer searched the boot and now he's going to collect. Okay. And I looked around and found I had forgotten them. That's just like Harris. He could not have said a word until I had got a big, short and strapped, of course. Yeah, he could not have said a word. बोला है कि नहीं बोला है? As though he had finished not his word. I had got the big short. I had closed the bag and strapped means fully tightened, fixed or fastened. Of course, and judge laughed. फिर बोला बुक के बारे में जज हंसते हुए बोला दोनों कुछ तो काम कर रहे हैं. They are just telling that you forget. Okay, what he told judge here, judge laughed. One of those irritating senseless laughs of his. या जैसे बैठे हैं अपने चेयर में और बोल रहे हैं कि you forgot one thing. What did you forget? They do make me so wild. Wild means out of control. Wild person, wild animal means they are not tame, they are out of mind. Okay. I opened the bag and pegged the boots in. Okay. जो भूल गए थे, the writer once opened it and pegged the boot. It's clear. And then, just as I was going to close it, now after pegging the boot, the writer going to close the bag. But when a horrible idea, you know, horrible idea means very serious idea, very nervous idea. What occurred to me? What the horrible idea? Had I pegged my toothbrush? क्या मैं toothbrush को रखा हूँ नहीं रखा हूँ? The writer remembered. I don't know how it is, but I never do know whether I have picked my toothbrush. Writer thought whether he has forgotten this toothbrush. Yeah. So my toothbrush is a thing that haunts me. Haunts means here repeatedly give trouble. Always. Writer said that कभी भी कोई यात्रा में जाते हैं और बैग पैक करते हैं तो अपने टूथब्रश को पैक करना भूल जाते हैं. Haunts means gives him lot repeatedly trouble to the writer when I am traveling and makes my life a misery. Misery means something poor, not smart and not top. I dreamed that I had not packed it. Dream means in his conscious mind thought that really I have forgotten to pack this toothbrush. Then see, and wake up in a cold perspiration. Perspiration means sweating, sweat. When something is serious, automatically the sweat will come. पसीना जरूर आता है. Yeah, and get out of bed and hunt for it. Hunt means search for it. Where is my toothbrush? I will search it and I will get it. The writer started searching this toothbrush. Okay. And in the morning, I packed it before I had used it. Morning time, the writer remembers that I packed it in the morning time. To brush needs morning time brushing. Then after he packed. Yes, and I have to unpack again to get it. Unpack means loosen. उसको मैं फिर रखा था. Then I try to pack it once again in the bag. It is always the last thing I turn out of the bag. क्योंकि brush either morning time or the evening time. 2 times brushing needed before sleep or we need brushing, and that's why brush is the last thing to pack. Okay. And the last thing I turn out of the bag and then I re-pick and forget it. Writer remembers that he had forget to pack the toothbrush and have to rush upstairs for it at the last moment and carry it to the railway station wrapped up in my pocket handkerchief. Now, one time he forgot. As he does that, he also forgot last thing and one of the journey. Writer say that Sammy incident happened that he has already gone to the railway station. And from the railway station, the house was the nearest. He came and brought this toothbrush and came back to the railway station. Yeah, It was it at the last moment and carried to the railway station wrapped up in my handkerchief. Yes. So this is the incident writer says. Yeah. So and then I repack and forget it and had to rush upstairs for it at the last moment and carry it to the railway station wrapped up in my pocket handkerchief. This is the incident he mentions. Okay, clear, understand? Number 6, of course, I had to turn every mortal thing. Mortal thing means a very ordinary thing or day-to-day life using thing. They are called mortal things. Just a dot, pen, pencil, the things like toothbrush. These are the oil. These are the mortal things, the common things. Yeah. Out now, and of course I could not find it. I rummaged means searched in a hurried or careless way. The things up into much same state that they must have been before the world was created. या दुनिया बनने से पहले जैसे कि सामान सब चीज इधर उधर दिख रहा था. घर के सामान अगर एक सेटिंग में नहीं है और इधर उधर बिखरा हुआ है, that is called confusion or chaos. CHAOS, confusion. Chaos means perplex. या दुनिया बनाने से पहले गॉड ने सामान सब चीज सब इधर उधर बिखरा था. The Christian writer that's why say that in the 6 days God arranged the things in right form. Beforehand the thing was not in order. क्योंकि घर को आप तो बना लिए लेकिन सामान लाते हैं तो जब सामान को छोड़ते हैं तो बिखरा हुआ रहता है. फिर आपका काम है कहाँ पर किचन में क्या रहेगा, बाथरूम में क्या रहेगा, बेडरूम में क्या रहेगा. These are the things we have to arrange once again. Yeah, that is mentioned here. And when chaos reign, chaos means confusion reign, when thing is not in order. Of course, I found Judge and Harris 18 times sober, but I could not find my own. I found Judge and Harris 18 times sober means Judge and Harris toothbrush. He found 18 times. Okay, he found very nice. But after searching for his toothbrush, till now he has not found. Let's see. But I could not find my own. I put the things back one by one. जो बैग के अंदर जितना सामान था एक एक करके फिर हटाया. To search where is my toothbrush and held everything up and shook it. और जो छोटा मोटा सामान के अंदर तो नहीं घुसा बोलते. I shook whether anything brush may be inside this and that, or he tried to search everything. Then I found it. It means this toothbrush inside a boot. Where was the boot? Toothbrush inside a boot. A boot के अंदर एक toothbrush घुसा हुआ था. Let's see. A boot. I repacked once more. Now writer knew that my toothbrush was inside the boot. Now he removed it and packed it once again. When I had finished, finally, Jerome's packing of this bag was finished. Judge asked if the soap was in. I said I did not care a honk. Did not care means no interest whether the soap was in it or whether it was not. The soap was in or whether it was not. Yes, I said I did not care a honk. Means I did not take any interest in other things soap of जो भूल गए. Yeah, whether the soap was in or whether it was not. Okay. And I slammed the bag. Slammed means shot forcibly the bag shot and strapped it. Okay, I fastened it. That means the writer work was over. Let's see, and found that I had packed my spectacles in it and I had to reopen it, and I got shut up finally at 10:05 p.m. रात के 10 बजे के 5 मिनट में at the time, this time the writer finished his packing. His work was finished, and then there remained the hampers to do. Hampers means large baskets for carrying foods. Large basket for carrying foods. These are the things were needed to be packed. Let's see. Harris said that we should be wanting to start in less than 12 hours time and thought that he and the judge had better to do the rest, and I agreed and sat down and they had a go. Now the both of them said that before 12 o'clock, we said within 2 hours, rest of the works, the picking of this large basket and all the things, they told them we shall do, so better take the rest and we will do the work. Okay. So writer, no need to do any works. Just he got relaxed and he sat down, and here both the friends now they start their packing rest of the things. Okay. They began in a light-hearted spirit. They were lazy, or जो lazy, if they come for work, their work will be very not good. Light-hearted means lazy, very not active, not strong-hearted or full of warm-hearted. Okay. Evidently intent means planned or meant to show me how to do it. I made no comment. Okay, as a friend, गलत करने से भी शांत रहना है. Yes, और अगर फ्रेंड को और कुछ बोलते हो तो फ्रेंडशिप break. Okay, that's one of the point. I only waited, had the patience to receive. With the expectation of judge, Harish is the worst baker. Who is the worst baker? Worst baker is Harish. Not him. In that time shall come. Who is the worst baker? Harish. Okay? In this world, and I looked at the piles of plates and cups and kittens and bottles and jars and peas and stoves and cakes and tomatoes, etc. Yeah, these are the things to be paid, and felt that things would soon become exciting. Yeah, let's see what are the things mentioned here: piles of plates and cups, kettles and bottles and jars and peas and stoves and cakes and tomato, etc. These are the items. It did. How do they arrange the things? How they will pack the things? Let's discuss here. They started with breaking a cups. जैसे पैक करना शुरू किए, पहला पॉइंट है कप टूटना. उनका पैकिंग में पहला कप टूटा. Yeah, first point. That was the first thing they did. They did that just to show you what they could do. They are lazy packer. They are worst packer. उनको सामान पैक करने नहीं आता है. कितना बर्बाद कर रहे हैं. Let's see in this chapter and get you interested. Then Harish packed the strawberry jam on the top of the tomato. टमाटो के ऊपर में strawberry jam रख दिए. तो क्या हुआ? टमाटो is right thing. Yes. If we pack tomato in strawberry, टमाटो के ऊपर heavy thing रखते हैं, the tomato will squelch. Do you know squelch means उसका पानी जो है फट जाएगा, खराब हो जाएगा. Tomato and squelched it means scratched it. They had to pick out a tomato with a teaspoon. Now टमाटो खराब हो गया, उसको चम्मच से उसको फिर निकाल रहे हैं, बर्बाद भी कर रहे हैं, फिर निकाल भी रहे हैं. Now the second loss. Let's see then. And then it was judge's turn. हर दोनों का बिगड़ा. जज क्या करा देखिए. And he tore down the butter. Tore down butter मतलब उसका जो बॉटल था उसमें पैर लगा दिया. क्या लगा दिया? पैर लगा दिया. Yes. And I did not say anything. तीसरा गलती, बॉटल को पैर में लगा दिया मतलब बॉटल खराब हो गया, चिपक गया. Yes, क्योंकि फ्रेंड है तो इतना कमेंट मारेंगे तो गया फिर. Writer was silent to see their work, but I came over, begin to affect. I sat on the edge of the table and watched them. मैं जाके बैठ के यहाँ पर writer sat in a table and observed what they were doing the work. Let's see. It irritated them more than anything I could have said. Writer को कुछ बोलेंगे, कुछ चीज़ बिखरा बर्बाद हुआ तो फ्रेंडशिप में एक क्या बन जाए, क्रैक हो जाए. So writer just observed their activities. I felt that. That's why writer kept quiet. Okay. It made them nervous and excited, and they stepped on things, not only water, और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ में पैर लगा रहे हैं, बर्बाद कर रहे हैं, and put things behind them, और कुछ चीज़ उनके पीछे भी रह जा रहा है, and then could not find them, जाके पीछे बैठ गए हैं और सामान पीछे है, उनको पता नहीं है. When they wanted them, they packed the pea at the bottom, pea को नीचे रख दिए, and put heavy things on top, और बड़ा चीज़ दिए तो pea क्या हो गया? Pea will smash the peas in, pea butter, ये mention is butter और thing, क्योंकि heavy thing, हल्का चीज को नीचे रख के heavy thing रखेंगे तो नीचे सामान पिचक जाएगा. It may be squashed and crushed and destroyed. They offset salt over everything. Offset salt over everything means in everything they put salt. Salt is the cause of problem. या नमक छिड़कना होने से कोई चीज बर्बाद होना. And as for the butter, yeah, butter also destroyed here. I never saw two men do more with 1 and 2 pence worth of butter in my whole life than they did. Here writer said that the writer in his whole life he did not spoil the things, just 1/100 of pound, that is called 1 or 2 pence. He destroyed, but here they destroyed many. Let's see. And judge had got it off his slipper. और उसको पैर में आ गया उसका बॉटल. They tried to put it in the kettle. उसको पैर से लेके केटल में रखना चाहते थे या केटल के अंदर भरना चाहते बॉटल को. It would not go in. गया नहीं है, आधा घुसा है और लटक गया है. And what was it? Was in wouldn't come out. हम केटल में भर रहे थे और आधा घुस गया, ना बाहर जा रहा है ना अंदर जा रहा है. तो here put, let's see, and it would not go in, and what was it would not come out means फंस गया है. They did scrape it out at last. Scrape means to remove something inside another thing using a sharp tool. बड़ा सा हथियार लेके उसको तोड़ के निकालना है. And put it down on a chair. उस बॉटल को उस केटल से निकाल के जॉर्ज ने चेयर में रख दिया. ठीक है, चेयर में है. ठीक है, चेयर में तो जाकर बॉटल को रखा है. And Harry sat on it. आके कौन आके बैठा? वहां पर हरीश आके बॉटल में आके बैठ गया. उसी बॉटल में आके हरीश बैठ गया. तो ये सोचिए कि बटर एक चिपकने का चीज है और बटर हरीश के पेन के पीछे तरफ क्या हो गया? चिपक गया. लेट्स सी. And Harish sat on it means sat on this butter and it stuck to it. Stuck means fixed, paste हो गया फेविकॉल जैसे. And they went looking for it all over the room. पहले चेयर में था, हरीश बैठा और चेयर में नहीं है. But two of the friends they are searching butter. Where is butter? They are searching all the room. Where is the butter? Yeah. अभी बॉटल को ढूंढने में पैराग्राफ नंबर 11 of we shall see. I'll take my oath. I put it down on that chair. Just said. मैं अभी तो इस चेयर में रखा था बॉटल को. मुझे याद है. Who told judge? I will take my oath. मैं वादा करके बोल रहा हूँ. With my promise I tell. Now I kept this bottle in this chair. I put it down on that chair. Said judge, staring at the empty seat. That chair में देख रहा था बॉटल है ही नहीं. I saw you do it myself not a minute ago, said Harish. Yeah, I saw you do it myself not a minute ago. हरीश ने बोला कि मैं अभी तो 2 मिनट पहले देखा हूँ कि तुम रखते हुए मैं देखा हूँ. तो गया कहाँ? Where is it? Who told? Harish told. Then they started round the room again looking for it. पूरा रूम के चारों तरफ चक्कर मार रहे हैं कहाँ है? Where is it? Where is it? And where is it? They are searching for. And then they met again in the center. आके दोनों ही सेंटर में घर रूम के सेंटर में मिले and stared at one another. एक दूसरे को देख रहे हैं. Where is butter? Most extraordinary thing I ever heard of, said judge. Judge what he told? Most extraordinary thing I ever heard of. it's a बहुत ही बड़ा चीज मैं सुना हूँ. क्या है? So mysterious, said Harish. What is the something mysterious thing? Then judge got round at the back of Harish and saw it. Judge पूरा हरीश के पीछे तरफ आके देखता है कि बटर हरीश के पीछे चिपक गया है. Yes, then the judge got round at the back of Harish and saw it. Why? Here it is all the time, he explained indignantly means angrily. Yeah, I was searching for this bottle for all the round and the room, but actually this bottle was in the back of side of your pant. Okay, and they are searching for. Where? Cried Harish. Harish को ही पता नहीं कि कहाँ है, लेकिन हरीश के पीछे तरफ चिपका हुआ है. Spinning around, searching, looking this thing. Where is bottle? But actually it was in the back side. Yeah, stand still, can't you? Roared Judge. Judge अभी खुश में आ गया कि तुमको अभी till now I don't know where is it. Stand and look in back side, flying after him. And they got it off. Finally, Harish, Judge, removed this bottle from the back of Harish and tucked it in the teapot. Anyway, they did the job. Then after one more commotion, one more chaos or perplexity, as Harish and Judge, at the same way one of their dog, उन लोग जैसे ही हरकत करते हैं, उनका डॉग भी ऐसे ही हरकत करता है. Let's see. One of the dogs name here, let's see. Montmorency, M-O-N, Montmorency. This is a dog's name. As Judge and Harish create problem, in the same way, their dog also does this type of activity. Let's see. Montmorency was in it all. Of course. Montmorency's ambition in life is to get in the way and spoil it. उसका काम है काम को बनाना ही बिगाड़ना. इस कुत्ते का काम है to disturb the war, to disturb, create problem into the war. Now, Montmorency's ambition in life is to get in the way and be sworn at. कोई भी काम में आता है और उसको डांटना पड़ता है. Dog creates problem and scolded by this type of activity. If he can scorn in any way where he particularly is not wanted, scorn means twist the scorn means twist means वो आ जाता है. He comes to the person who जहाँ जरूरत नहीं वहाँ पर कुत्ता हाजिर. Let's see. Anywhere where he particularly is not wanted and be a perfect nuisance. Nuisance is trouble. This dog creates problem. The dog gives lots of cans and make people mad. लोगों को out of mind. Mad means पागल करता है. And have things thrown at his head. और उसके ऊपर हमें सामान फेंकना पड़ता है. Yeah? And he feels his day has not been wasted. आखिर में सोचता है कि मेरा दिन ऐसा ही पूरा नहीं गया है. Let's see. To get somebody to stumble over him and curse him steadily for an hour is his highest aim. An object. Who? This is about a dog. To get somebody to stumble over him. कोई अगर उसके ऊपर में गिरता है. Stumble means to उसको मतलब डांटता है. Gives punishment. Okay. Curse him. Whom? This dog. Steadily for an hour. Yes, for an hour means maybe for 1 hour. Is his highest aim. कि कोई उसको भी काम बिगाड़े, उसको डांट खाए, इसी हरकत के लिए कुत्ता है. Let's see. An object, and when he has succeeded in accomplishing this, his conceit becomes quite unbearable. Yes, and if he does this type of work, succeed means completes the work. What? In accomplishing this means doing this work, his conceit means his pride in himself becomes quite unbearable. His pride means it's pride in himself we cannot tolerate. It's quite unbearable, which we cannot tolerate. Let's see. 13th paragraph. He came and set down the things. कुत्ता क्या करता है? कोई भी काम कर रहा है उस सामान में जाकर बैठ जाता है. He came and sat down on things. यहाँ पर जो पैक कर रहे हैं जितना सामान, the dog came and sat on this place. Just when they were wanted to be packed, उन लोग पैक करने हैं, कुत्ता आके डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है. What's the dog name? Montmorency. The dog creates problem to his friends. Okay? And he labored under the fixed belief that whenever Harish and Judge reached out their hand for anything, कुछ चीज उठा रहे हैं, they are going to carry or going to keep it in this arrange the things. It was his cold damn nose. कुत्ता के cold damn nose means nose which is cold in figure. Cold damn is wet nose that they wanted. और कुत्ता का अपने नोज को छू रहा है। He put his leg into the jam, जैम में आके पैर रखा, and he worried the teaspoon, worried means disturb the teaspoon, चम्मच को भी डिस्टर्ब किया कुत्ता, and he pretended means deceive, cheated, और मान लिया क्या, the lemons are rats, कि कुत्ता समझ रहा है कि ये लेमन सब कुछ ये क्या है, चूहे हैं। चूहे को जैसे कुत्ते खेलते हैं तो कुत्ता लेमन को कुत्ता सोच के, लेमन को रेड चूहा सोच के क्या कर रहा है, and got into the hamper and killed 3 of them, जैसे कि लेमन को चूहा सोच के उस कुत्ता ने 3 लेमन को काट के फेंक दिया। Destroyed 3 of the lemons. He thought that the dog thought that these are the rats and I will kill them. This type of business, and the foolish dog was with them before Haris could land him to the frying pan. Now 3 of the lemon also destroyed. Imagine उनके दोस्त लोग पैक करने टाइम में कितना बर्बादी किए हैं। Yes, finally the 14 number paragraph. Harish said, I encouraged him. हरीश ने बोला कि मैं उसको साहस दिया हूँ, I have given him courage. Okay, very nice. I did not encourage him. राइटर encourage नहीं किया उसको. A dog like that doesn't want any encouragement. Yes, about the dog he is talking. कि ऐसे डॉग जो कि नुकसान कर रहा है कोई शाबाशी देना नहीं है। A dog like that doesn't want any encouragement because it destroys things. कोई चीज़ बिगाड़ता है तो इसको क्या शाबाशी दिया जाएगा? Why it will be more given credit? It's the natural, original sin that is born in him that makes him do things like that. उसके स्वभाव ऐसा है. Who tells? Harish. कि original sin means that it is the nature. The dog creates problem and that's other things. It's the nature. He does, okay? So, in this way the matter was solved and the packing was over. Then finally the packing was done at 12:50, means around 1 o'clock, around 3 hours it passed. Yes, and Harish sat on the big hamper. Now, the packing was already over in 12:50. Now they relaxed because work was over, okay? So, and said he hoped nothing would be found broken. Harish told that nothing would be found broken, but everything we found, many lists we have. Judge said that if anything was broken, it was broken. जो टूटना था टूट गया, बर्बाद होना, उसको क्या कर सकते हैं? दोनों कितना बर्बाद किए हैं? Which reflection seems to comfort him? Which both of them thought. He also said he was ready for bed. Now, who told Judge that okay, I am tired at 12:50 minutes overnight and it is time to take rest? He told them they are going for sleeping. Okay, we are all ready for bed. Now the late night, that's why they were going to take their rest. Harish was to sleep with us that night and we went upstairs. Okay, 3 of them, they decided to sleep in the place and they took rest. Okay, 15th paragraph. We tossed for beds. We arranged the beds that we will take rest here. And Harish had to sleep with me. He said, do you prefer the inside or the outside? Now they choose inside bed or the side one. They talk with each other, which is the best place to locate to sleep. Now both of the friends, they are talking with each other. I said, I generally prefer to sleep inside a bed. Bed के में center में सोना अच्छा लगता है. Harish said it was odd. Okay. Judge said, what time shall we wake up followers? Yeah, because every morning they have to start their journey. They are talking. This is the Nobel's very small extract, and this part the writer this book has taken from the 3 men in a boat from the short part. That's why in the early morning they talk to each other. That let's see. The judge said, what time? Yeah. Then Harish said 7 o'clock. I said no, 6, because I wanted to write some letters. They are fixing the time to get up. Okay. Harish and I had a bit of a row over it, but at least last split the difference. Split the difference means that they agreed. Someone said 6 o'clock is right, and Judge Harish said 7 o'clock, but here Judge said 6:30. That is the time he said, get up. Yes, it was halfway between the 6 and 7. Three of the friends, they decided to write time to schedule, and finally they decided to get up. At that time it was fixed. The judge made no answer, and we found on going over that he had been asleep for some time. So we placed the bed where he could tumble into it on getting out in the morning, and we went to bed ourselves. Now they arranged the bed for sleeping, three of them, and they went for sleeping, and they had to wake up in the early morning for their journey. So this letter, this chapter, we see this is the extract only of the great novels, sort of the part. So lesson speaks that how they pack, and this is the very funny lesson that it is just about the packing only. We should be aware of packing and this lesson. I hope that who is the smart packer and who is the worst packer, according to the lesson we have discussed, and you read it in the online teaching. Also, you need more reading books and listening online. Both the thing will make you more perfect in your study. Hope you see you in the next period, next online classes. Till that time, have a good day. Goodbye.